Yo, what is going on, guys? This is your boy Gavin, or Julie Beer, coming at you guys with another video. Today we're here with my boy Mike.
What up?
Yeah, so today we're trying to make money. We're teenagers.
Today it's 2 a.m.
Today it's 2 a.m.
3 a.m.
So tomorrow we're gonna make money, but so Mikey has a job here,
I'm broke.
but he hasn't got paid, so he's kind of broke. But I actually got fired, so I need to make money too.
I got fired.
Yeah, I got fired. But so today we're here. We're just trying to make some money. So we got some clothes, we got some shoes, we got some games. All you guys can do this at, controllers. All you guys can do this at home. Just go through all your old shit. Honestly, I bet you have
never used this ever, and it'll probably give me like $100.
Yeah, honestly,
Quick $100.
honestly, everyone has some old video games in their house, whether they're a
Clothes,
girl,
shoes.
guy, clothes, shoes that you don't use anymore. You might not even fit them. You can bring them to local thrift shops or Plato's Closet, any of that stuff, or even with the video games like GameStop. They might not give a lot, but it's still money. Or like any of those old school game places, they'll give a lot more for old school games like PlayStation 2s or that type of. And yeah, so we'll bring you guys back tomorrow, and it's 2 a.m. We'll bring you guys back today because it's 2 a.m. We gotta go to bed, but we'll bring you guys back today, and we'll see how much money we rack up by the end of the day. And yeah, that's really it. Hope you guys enjoy.
Really good styles and brands.
So basically just the shoes.
Yeah, we did take one pair of shoes. Just one of them just had some minor wear stains on it.
Oh, you just give me back the box.
Yeah, we don't usually take the boxes. So definitely bring in more if you have it. And
Alright.
we can offer $27.75.
Alright.
That's okay?
Yeah.
Just sign this for me. You're all set?
Thank you.
Have a good one, you guys.
You too.
You got it right on the counter there.
Alright guys, so we just got out of Plato's Closet. I didn't really vlog too much, but me and Mikey both made some good money. We brought in like 5 things in total that they actually took, and we both made 26, 27 bucks. So that's already $50 in the pocket for both of us technically. And we're gonna go hit up GameStop and that other dumbass gaming place. So we're gonna go hit up the mall real quick so Mikey can turn in some games, and we'll see how much he ends off with at the end of the day.
You get like 32 bucks now.
Yeah, that's good, yeah.
Alright,
Thank you.
not a problem. Have a good one.
You too.
Thanks. What's going on?
Oh, Mikey out here, $32.
Yeah, you already know.
Alright guys, so basically I'm home now. I was supposed to pick up more money, and I'm really like hot right now because I was outside, and now it's raining, so I came in. But anyways, I was supposed to get more money from selling a pair of shoes. That was my next, or a shirt rather. That was my next way to get money. I was gonna pick that up from a consignment shop. So that's the next way to make money. But overall guys, me and Mikey ended the day off. He ended off with a good amount of money. I did as well, and that's just in one day. I mean, I ended off with around 120 bucks or so. And he ended off with around 60. So I mean, it was really easy. You guys can do this all the time. All you guys really have to do, you guys can go to thrift shops, get clothes, trade them in. All you need to do is find fashionable stuff or anything that's cool that people will purchase. Vintage stuff, any of that kind of stuff. So yeah guys, hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure you guys like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll be making more videos soon. School's coming back sooner than later, so that's gonna suck. And I need to do my summer work, but other than that, I should be making videos again soon. And yeah, I'm gonna be really working on my editing and all that shiitake. So hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, leave a like, subscribe if you are new, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. It's been Gavin or G Libro, and I'm out. Peace.